The B-52 Stratofortress, one of the most legendary bombers ever built. An aircraft that first entered service before the first human ever walked on the moon, yet it's still flying today. And according to current plans, it will remain in service until 2050. Even more astonishing, 3 different bombers were built to replace it, yet all 3 are expected to leave service before the B-52. So, what makes this 70-year-old aircraft virtually impossible to replace? Why does the United States Air Force continue investing billions of dollars into a bomber that first flew in 1952? And how can an aircraft older than most of its pilots still threaten targets anywhere on Earth? Let's uncover the incredible story behind America's oldest, and perhaps its most dangerous strategic bomber. The B-52 was built to last for generations. Most military aircraft retire after about 30 years. The B-52 completely rewrote that rule. The last Stratofortress rolled off Boeing's production line in 1962. Yet dozens remain in active service today. If current modernization plans continue,
some B-52s will remain operational for nearly 100 years. No combat aircraft in history has ever achieved such extraordinary longevity. Surprisingly, its greatest strength isn't stealth technology, it isn't incredible speed, and it certainly isn't advanced aerodynamics. Its greatest advantage is something much simpler. It was built to last. Boeing engineers designed the aircraft with enormous structural margins, making the airframe far stronger than required. Those massive wings have endured decades of stress, allowing the bomber to fly far beyond its original design life, while remaining structurally reliable. The B-52 doesn't need to be the fastest bomber in the sky, because it carries more firepower than almost any other aircraft on Earth. A fully loaded Stratofortress can carry more than 70,000 pounds of weapons, including precision-guided JDAM bombs, long-range cruise missiles, naval mines, laser-guided munitions, and even America's newest hypersonic weapons. But here's what makes it truly remarkable. Many of these weapons don't receive their final target coordinates until just moments before launch. That means intelligence gathered while the aircraft is already in flight. Do you think the B-52 still deserves its reputation as America's ultimate strategic bomber? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Defense Frontline TV, and turn on notifications for more in-depth documentaries covering the world's most powerful weapons, military technology, and modern warfare.